Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with two essentials: a charged Motorola and an active mobile data plan, so the hotspot has data to share. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Wi-Fi hotspot to enable it. This begins broadcasting immediately. Make sure you glance at the default network name shown on screen, since you'll use it to connect other devices. Don't pause here. You'll secure and optimize the hotspot in the next steps. Now configure the hotspot so it's secure and efficient. You should rename the SSID to something easy to find, then choose WPA2 or WPA3 security and enter a strong password. This prevents freeloaders. Next, pick 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher speed. Make this choice based on the devices you'll connect. Also set a device limit and an inactivity timeout to conserve battery and mobile data. To finish, on the device you want online, open Wi-Fi, choose the SSID you created, and type the password exactly. You'll usually connect right away. If connected but not browsing, make sure mobile data is active on the Motorola and the APN settings match your carrier, because that's often why traffic won't route. If problems persist, toggle the hotspot off and on, or restart the phone. That clears temporary glitches. One tip: restart mobile data or change band from 5 GHz to 4 GHz if range is poor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.